Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down in the description box. Now today we are doing a part 2 makeup review of the Colourpop X Hocus Pocus. You guys know I reviewed the first collection, now we're here for the second. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I see a lot of new subscribers. I want to welcome you guys personally. Thank you guys for viewing my content. I'm so excited that you guys are here to watch. Anything you guys want to see, please let me know down in the description box. I am open to all ideas, especially for the spooky season. I am all for it. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like if you're obsessed with makeup reviews like I am. I feel like there needs to be more, kind of died down a little bit. Not a lot of channels are doing it, but I love me a good makeup review. And with that being said, we will continue on with this video. Okay guys, so you know why we are here. If you see my face red per usual, you know we're dealing with makeup today. I did some extractions. I did shave my face. You know the drill. So we're gonna open up the Colourpop X Hocus Pocus 2 box. I have everything packaged, so I want to see what... Oh, this is the candle. Okay, I was wondering why there was a little box in there. Okay, so they individually wrapped the candle. So this is the unicarton of the candle. Really cute. Who dares to light the black flame candle? You guys can see what it looks like. Really adorable. Oh, inside box, really cute. Colourpop is always good with that, with their unicartons. I love that they have like designs inside the box as well, so that's really cute. The candle, oh, it smells good. Purple candle. That's what it looks like. Little 360. It smells really good. I can't wait to light it up. Now for my viewers that are not new to this channel, you guys know I am obsessed with Halloween. So any Halloween releases, makeup releases that you guys want to see, please let me know down below. Any makeup looks you want to see, let me know down below, because you guys know I get super inspired in October. I love Halloween. It's my favorite. I did order the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection, the new fall collection. I'm still waiting for that. I still haven't even received an email stating that it was being shipped out yet. So you know how long they take, but be on the lookout for that video. And I might have a few other Halloween makeup release videos, so be on the lookout for those. But let's see what this is. So it says, I shall always be with you. So this is Binks in the front. Let's see what this looks like. And if you guys haven't seen my first review on the first release of the Colourpop X Hocus Pocus, I will list that in a card above here. The mirror is really cute. Let's see what else we have in here. This says Hocus Pocus Witching Hour. Again, same cute little packaging. In the back, the shades. Opening her up, you can see the unicarton inside, what it looks like. That's what the palette looks like. Cute little palette. I could see this very like travel friendly. Trouble Brewing Super Shock Shadow Trio. So this is the unicarton that comes in. Slip unicarton. I love this little unicarton, so adorable. And the shock shadows are in here. Just in case I don't use all of them in this look today, you guys will be able to see what they look like. I could tell you right now, they feel really creamy. They don't feel like dusty or anything, which is good. So that's what they look like, all three of them. Really cute. I'd say my favorite is the gold here, which is, what shade is this? Don't thou comprehend? That's the actual shade. Then, let's see, this is, oh, the Mark face stamp. Weird thing, this actually was the first thing that caught my eye. I was really excited about this. That's the little face stamp. Come on, like that's so freaking adorable. I'm definitely using that for the look today. Then we have here, this is the Tonight We Fly Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. Of course, same unicarton, but let's open her up. She is a very dark purple. Show you what that looks like. That's beautiful. Okay, so this is another Fresh Kiss Lip Cream. This is Hello Boys. So that's the black there. Very opaque, I like that. Doesn't look sheer at all. Of course, once I try it on my lips, I'll let you know how it feels, but they look really nice. Then this last shade is Calming Circle. So that's the nude there. So we have the 3 lips, we have the face stamp, and then we have the 3 shock shadows. Very beautiful so far. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull you guys closer so we can start on this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyelids with some Tarte Shape Tape. You guys know this is like my favorite, one of my favorites. I can never do eyeshadows without priming my lid first. A lot of people can. It doesn't feel right to me. Let's start with some color to my eye. So what I want to do is I want to check out Moon is Round, which is this shade here. And I just want to see, I'm using a really fluffy brush. This is the Morphe Y19. You can see the kickback, just for reference. I just want to have kind of like a base color. So I'm going to sweep this on top of my crease. You guys know I have very hooded eyes, so I want to make sure that my eyeshadow shows. So anyone with hooded eyes should do the same. You want to put your shadow above your crease. And I really just want to like sweep it up and use this kind of like a base color. Now, excuse this little lump that I have here in my eye. I don't know how. I thought mosquitoes like went away when it became cold or like when it's fall. But a mosquito bit me there. So that's great. So I have a mosquito bite here and it's super annoying. So don't mind that. I don't know. Maybe I'll try this Life Potion in the front. This shade here. Just put that in the very front of my eye. Kind of want to smoke it out a little. Next, let's dip into some Hello Billy, which is this purple shade here. I'm really trying to smoke this out, so I'm just trying to do the same thing. So circular motions and just really blending it in with that first shade, bringing it up a little bit, but not too much. Let's go with Fur Black as Black, which is this green shade here. And I'm using this color for the tail end of my eye look. There is a lot of fallout, you guys can see. But the good thing with that is I don't care because I don't have any foundation on. So that is what it looks like so far. I know it looks a little crazy and a little muddy. What I am going to do is I'm going to clean this up, do the same thing on the other eye and cut a crease, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so we are back. I did both of the eyes, cut both of their creases off of camera. And guys, I gotta figure something out because I was literally here for half an hour trying to look for this one particular brush that I cut my crease with. I'm obsessed with it. This is like the only brush I cut my crease with and I only have one. I mentioned it in like my brushes video, like my very first video. I'm obsessed with it and I can't find it. So I gotta figure something out. I've tried so many cut crease brushes and none of them have been as good as that one. And I can't find it. So I used another brush anyhow after I spent 30 minutes looking for it. I used another brush to cut my crease. It's not as straight as I want it to be just because I'm so used to that one. But it is what it is. So we're going to go along with the video. I really want to dip into that gold shade, which is Under the Ground. This shade here. And I think I want to put that towards the beginning of my lid. I'm dipping into it. It's nice and smooth, which is good. It's not crumbling up in any way. I'm going to do packing motions with this because any kind of foiled or glittery shade, you really want to just pack it in there. I'm just going to pack it in. Next, let's dip into that purple shimmer shade, which is Twist the Bones. This one here. And I'm putting that, oh, this is gorgeous. I'm putting that next to the gold. Of course, you really want to try to blend it in as much as you can. Swiping motions as well. Just really getting it on there. And of course, for my hooded eye people, you want to really like tilt your head back and get the shades in that crease, because that little fold here tends to miss eyeshadow. That color is gorgeous. Okay, let's dip into that green shimmer, which is Circle of Salt. This one here. That is gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to get off of camera really quick to do the other side, apply my complexion products so we can continue on with this video. I'll be right back. Okay. So I completed my look completely off of camera. I figured you wouldn't want to see me put on lips and foundation. That's just not necessary. So a few things to talk about. I'm going to give you guys a close-up, but I just want to let you guys know. For my bottom lash line, I did utilize two of the shades that I didn't use on the top, which was Bubble Bubble, this one here, and Green Nude, which is this one here. So those two I used for my bottom lash line. I did use the spider stamp. You guys will see up close. In terms of the lip products, I tried on the purple. One, the doe-foot applicator is extremely hard to use. So if you're not using a lip liner, it's almost impossible, to be completely honest. It's not my favorite. Besides the fact that it's like it gets a little clumpy, like around the edges of your mouth. So I took it off and I used my own lip liner. I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil Alkaline to line my lips. And then I did use that nude shade from the collection, which is Calming Circle. So I did use this for the inner portion of my lips. But it does get a little clumpy. So you have to keep in mind, if you are putting it on, just do like one of these to get like all the clumps away from the inner portion of your lips. I didn't use any of the shock shadows, but you guys saw I did swatch them, so you guys got to see what they look like. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up just so you guys can see everything that's going on. Okay, so I kind of did like a little glitter spider web, you guys can see. I used, this is Heavy Metal Urban Decay glitter liner. I'm obsessed with these. This one is Glam Rock. So I did like a glitter spider web, you guys can see, and the spider hanging down. On this side, I made it a little shorter. It's very asymmetrical. I love it that way. The purple highlighter is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Extreme Frost Choking on Ice. I'm obsessed with this purple highlighter. The lip, I feel like, goes really well with the eye look. So this is what the eye look looks like. I did apply some liner in my waterline. This is the Tarteist on Fleek lip pencil, lip crayon, but I used it as, you know, for my waterline. The mascara is actually a blue mascara. It's a NYX blue mascara. So it's NYX Worth the Hype. It's in blue. I figure to try something different. So this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. You guys can see the little spider web. I wanted to do something different and cute. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, so in comparison of the first Colourpop X Hocus Pocus, this is the second palette. This was the first. I'm gonna show you guys the first one. So this is what the first one looked like. Really cute palette also. I definitely preferred the second palette out of the first. I just love the shimmer shadows on here. They're just great. I love them. So this would be a definite recommend over the first one. In terms of the lip products, I honestly wasn't a big fan of them for the second collection. The first one I was obsessed with. These are what the first one looks like. These are the lipsticks, and I just think they're just better. Better performance, they look better. I love the little component. I would recommend the first collection of the lip products rather than the second. The second I wasn't too fond of. It gets a little sticky. It clumps up a little. The doe foot applicator is a little difficult to work with unless you're using a lip liner. So I would definitely recommend, if you are getting these, to use a lip liner. Honestly, I would get these instead. I know they are selling the first collection. I noticed that they're selling them on the site. So I would definitely recommend these above the second one, the second collection. The shock shadows, I mean, they're cute. Are they like a must-have? I don't think so. I feel like the shadows in here, you can get away with not having to buy the shock shadows, if that makes sense. I just feel like these in here are just way more pigmented. They glided on very nicely, and to me, there's no necessity to buy this, to be completely honest. The candle, I feel like it's a must-have. It smells so good. I can't even tell you what, like, it definitely smells very fall-like, but I can't pinpoint like the actual smell of it. It smells so good though. It smells very fall-like. I didn't even light it, and I had it here on my desk, and I could literally smell it while I was doing my makeup. So I would definitely recommend the candle. I think this is so freaking cute, especially if you're a Halloween lover like I am. You should definitely get this. The little mirror is cute, very cute, especially for Halloween. You can see your whole face with it. It's a nice size. Cute for traveling, very lightweight, thin, so you can put it in your carry-on. Anything that's like travel friendly, I'm all for, so I would definitely recommend this. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Those are my recommendations, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.